Hey Nick, hey, hope you're doing well. I had talked to you back in January. I was in your collective, and you had told us to write down something, and I wrote down just on a scratched piece of paper in my car while I was driving. And I wrote down an amount, and then that was February 20th. And then on November 20th, I received that exact amount, except it was 194 difference from the amount that I wrote down. So I just thought I'd share it with you, let you know. Actually, it was made out to my wife, but nevertheless, it came to the household. So I'll send you just a quick picture. I'm going to crop out my name and address just in case it gets shared, okay? Talk to you later.